recti. Is surgery even an answer to diastasis recti? If so, in what circumstances?
So I had a call today from a lady just now.
Yes,
I was on the phone for a long time, and she was asking.
Was it that lady?
I don't think so. It's a different. It
Doesn't sound similar.
sounds very similar.
Oh.
She was asking, do you repair? She has said, now I do want to book in for a consultation with Fulvio, but I need my muscles repairing.
I do repair the diastasis. Okay, so I wasn't gonna go into this, but I have actually we've recorded a video of a diastasis repair, which I can show you because there was something. I don't know if Kathleen's on here. Kathleen pops in occasionally, but Kathleen sent me a something that she had seen online, talking about how when you have an abdominoplasty, your upper abdomen skin is always loose and stays loose forever. And she was saying, "Is this true?" And I saw it, and I looked at it, and I just thought, that's a crock of stuff that goes in a crock. It wasn't true. It wasn't true. And the reason...
You haven't switched the light on.
I haven't switched... Shall I switch the light on?
It's rubbish.
Oh, okay, look.
Looking at me myself.
There we go.
Oh,
How's that? Is that better? Oh, you see, it's all coming good now.
And now
the production has been...
crop this down for YouTube. We'll be
in two different lights. In the
middle.
dark.
No, but we'll be whittering on in the middle about the lighting. Sorry. Back to the muscle repair.
Oh, yeah, okay. So, about the skin. And I said that's a crock of, things that come in a crock. And essentially when I do often during an abdominoplasty you have a muscle repair. I can't say always. I did do an abdominoplasty recently in which I didn't do a muscle repair. And that was about the first one in the last decade. So I can't literally say never. You never don't need a muscle repair, but it's really uncommon. I mean, those muscles are always separated. And today I've just finished one. And there was a 6 centimetre muscle separation. And
that's good going.
Yeah, it was actually. And so when you do a tummy tuck, you dissect the entire width. You undermine the skin completely, the skin you're going to remove, which is up to about the level of the belly button, sometimes higher even, but up to the level of the belly button. Once you're above that, you don't go side to side. You're not undermining that whole width. You just undermine a little tunnel going up just enough so that you can see the inside edges of the muscle. So if they're not in the midline, you can see where the inside edges are. So you've got this narrow tunnel going all the way up to the xiphisternum. And you repair the muscle through that tunnel. Then you close down that tunnel again. Well, I do anyway. You close down that tunnel again, and I close down that tunnel by doing a third layer of muscle repair, which actually hooks on the underside of the skin and pulls that down onto the muscle repair. And that not only closes all that dead space, reduces the risk of seroma, but it also contributes to what is, gets called the fub line, which is that linear crease. But it's not always called the fub line. It's a normal thing. Some people call it the champagne groove. But anyway, so there is no dead space, and you should wake up day one. And in my video, which I'll probably post on Instagram in the next few days, you'll see, having just closed it, the skin where it hasn't been closed is wobbly, and the skin where this has been closed is not wobbly, and that's an instant, immediate thing. So there you go. I would just say, be careful what you believe online. Look at the credentials of the person saying it. Make sure they have any qualifications whatsoever. Okay.